Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Massive storm just happened. I was watching Top Gear, and yeah, I gotta get my shoes on. My shoes are completely filthy from walking out up there. Alright, so that table was in the bush. All these chairs flipped. One of them went over there. This cushion survived somehow. The bench was like there. The birdhouse is over in the neighbor's yard. The pool's popped. A ton of branches fell. Like that one, that one, that one. All of those. That's a tree. You come through, okay? Branch. That fell over. That too. I'm recording a YouTube video, don't mind me. Basketball hoops, man. Huh. I can really see the steam from the humidity out here. That is messed up. Wasn't that obvious? Yeah, that wasn't a birdhouse. Like, bird feeder was next to that tree. Oh shit, it's still dripping from the tree. My grapes almost went. Huh. See all the stuff on the ground. That fell. The tarp survived thanks to my stepbrother. He ran out there and grabbed it. It was like pouring buckets. I don't know how that survived.
Guys,
I don't know it survived like it's a nuclear apocalypse.
Leah, get me in the video.
There in the video.
So there's a bunch of stuff that had crashed and we were all wet.
I think I would be dead if I walked into that. Oh yeah, that's toast. At least that family photo tree is fine.
Guys, come up here.
Okay, so there's no one outside anymore except us. Swing survived. The other swing in the front survived.
That's a tree from the tree.
That is not a tree. Better call that end. Bum-ba-da-ba. How much do you all think it's gonna cost to move this shit? That's a branch, I think. Nope, that's a tree. That's the branch.
Hey guys, look.
That's a freaking tree. Hope you guys can hear me. That's not a tree, it's just a massively thick branch that fell off there. There are berries on that thing?
Wait, there's berries?
What? Hold on. I've had this house for a year. I've never seen these.
Berries.
Holy shoot.
So cute.
It is like,
I thought they were cherries.
they're like gummy almost.
They look like
Wishy-washy. Huh.
I'm gonna take one of them muffins.
I'm not Don't eat one. Don't eat it. You don't know what's in that.
It's not good. One of the pads fell off.
Bruh. That is going to be the end of today's video. I will see y'all in the next one, and goodbye.
Bye.